In this video, we are going to work on the lab Docker storage. So there are 10 questions. Let's go one by one. The first question is, what location are the files related to Docker containers and images stored? Okay, so this is the factual question. So let's check the hint. It is where lib Docker. So let's see cd, or I can just do ls hyphen l where lib Docker. Okay, you can see all the files related to the container. Let's go to the second question. Okay, so the answer is where lib Docker. Now, second question is what directory under where lib Docker are the files related to Alpine 3 image stored? Okay, for this, we need to check the contents of these containers. So what I'll do, I can say ls-l where lib Docker containers. Okay, so here we have these container IDs. Now what I will do, I will just say Docker ps hyphen a. Okay, so here we have an Alpine 3, this Alpine, and this is the container ID. We will try to, okay, so let's try to compare this 2D, 6FA, and 64, 2D. So this is the correct one. Okay, the question 3, run MySQL container named MySQL DB using MySQL image, set the database password to this. Remember to run in detached mode so that we have to use -d option. Okay, so let's create a command. So Docker space run space hyphen name. The name is MySQL. Run MySQL container named. Okay, name is MySQL hyphen DB. That is the name. And then set the database password to this. So we have to use the proper key. The key is MySQL root password equal to DB pass123 that is given. And the image is MySQL. MySQL is the image. So we have to run it in a detached mode. So that I'm using -d and MySQL is the image name. Let's run it. Okay. Okay, got it. So here we have to mention -e that mentioning that it's an environment variable. So Docker is created, Docker ps. So here you can see this is created. So let's click on check. It's completed. Let's go to question 4. It is taking time. Okay. We have just written some data in database to view the information we wrote. Run the get-data.sh script available in root directory. How many customers data have been written to the database? Okay. So we need to go to the root directory, and in root directory there should be a script. This is the name of the script, shell script, and we can run it using sh space get data.sh. Here you can see these are the records. Now they are asking how many records have customer data have been written. So here I can see 30. Okay, the database crashed. Are you able to view the data now? Use the same command and try the view data and then try to find the container. Let's rerun this. You can see there is a problem. And the container is this one. Okay. So view the data? No. Damn, we didn't plan that well at all. Let's try again. Okay, run MySQL container again, but this time map a volume to the container so that data stored by the container is stored at op data on the host. So we have to run the same command, but we have to map it to the volume. To check the syntax, we can click here. So here it is the same command that we used earlier. Let me bring up the same command. Now the additional thing is we have to map it to this volume. The rest of the things will remain same. So I think I can mention it here. This is the volume. Let me. Okay. Here, let me run this, but I think it should give an error because I need to delete the container. Okay, it is working. So it means that that is already deleted. Docker PS. Okay. So it's good. Now let me check. Okay, good. Now let me go to the next one. Question 8. Writing data to the database again. So I think this data is being populated again. So basically here we are using volume. So even if the container is deleted, the data should remain in the volume. Okay. So here I will run this command again. We can see the data is back again. So here we have given the volume as op data. Okay, and it is mapped to varlib MySQL. Okay, now disaster strikes again. The database crashed again, but this time we have data stored at op data directory. Redeploy a new SQL instance using the same options as before. Okay, so first say Docker PS. Here you can see that container is removed. Let me see if it is in exited state or it doesn't exist. Okay, it is in exited state. Now what I need to do is I need to redeploy the Docker container and then say whether the data will be back. So I can use my previous command. Okay, this previous command. Now what I need to do is I need to check the data by using that shell script. See, you can see the data is back because the container is the data is stored in the volume. Okay, it's good. Now let's go to the last question. Fetch the data. We have already fetched it. Okay. So in this way, we have completed this. So here what we have seen is we have created a Docker container without a volume, stored the data, the container is destroyed, your data is gone. Then in second case, we have created a volume that is now mapped to this folder. And after that, when you are creating the container again, this data is coming back because it is stored in the volume. Whatever data is directly stored in the container will go away, but whatever is there in this persistent volume will remain. Thank you for watching this video.